Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Chrome this site can't provide a secure connection. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to fix this site can't provide a secure connection in your Google Chrome browser, then you can follow these steps. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and click on the 3 vertical dots. A menu will appear on the screen. From that menu, click on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. After opening the settings page, look at the left-hand side panel and click on Privacy and Security. Once you open the Privacy and Security section, scroll down a little until you see the Security option and then click on it. Now, inside the Security section, you will see a setting called Safe Browsing. Underneath Safe Browsing, change the option to No Protection. After selecting this option, Chrome will show you a security pop-up warning. Simply click on Turn Off to confirm the change. Next, scroll down the page until you find the option called Use Secure DNS. Make sure that this option is turned on. Once it is enabled, click on Select DNS Provider and choose OpenDNS from the list of available providers. After completing these steps, you need to close your Google Chrome browser completely. Once the browser is closed, reopen Google Chrome again. Now, try visiting the website that was showing the error. In most cases, the website should now open normally without showing the error message. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Chrome this site can't provide a secure connection. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.